back to Big Joe's Outdoors. I had several weeks of videos recorded and my computer crashed, so I have no idea when that stuff's going to come back out. Computer got wet during the hurricane. I knew it was going to eventually fail, but I was trying to get what I could out of it. But I still got to cook my dinner since my stuff inside don't work. I had to buy a barbecue pit. I've been using it quite a bit. Today we're going to be cooking hind leg of a goat, little Nigerian dwarf. That neighbor helped him clean a bunch of sheep and goat the other day, and he gave me a couple pieces. So we're going to cook this up. We're going to use some butter and some barbecue rub. Let's see if I can get this in pictures. Stuff I picked up. Here we go. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using for the rub. I got a chunk of butter. And aluminum foil has been sitting on the barbecue pit, so I guess moisture got to it. Alright. Put this over here. There's lamb. Season that side. And season that side. And we got a chunk of butter. We're gonna chop up a bit. He did have some fat on him, but I don't think it was enough to. But we're gonna find out. So. It's just a regular propane grill. We're gonna light this side, and we're gonna keep the roast to that side. So let's turn everything on. And lit. And put it on medium. And we're gonna watch the temperature. So we're gonna give it a few minutes. I got plenty of other chores I need to be doing around here. Gotta catch a few ducks for somebody. So we'll be back. We want the temperature to be around 350. Alright, I'm back to check on it. It's been holding at 400, which should do fine. And there's not much to check on, you know. I'm gonna leave it in here. See what time it is. We'll come back in an hour. Alright, we got it right below 400. I'm coming out here to check it. I mean, it's not much to check. It's still wrapped, but we got it where the temperature we need. It didn't take long to get there. It's 317 now. So we'll come back about 4:30 and it should be done. I'll open it up and flap it on the hot side and let the grill do its thing at that point. Alright, it's been running 3:55 or so. I don't know. Take it out the wrap. I don't want to lose the wrap. I want to put it back in there. But should be done as soon as I get a little brown on it. We're going to crank it up a hair bit for this. And put that down. Alright. We'll be back in a limit. I got time to go feed everybody, so y'all stay tuned. It's already looking better. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I was looking for. I'm gonna let it do that one more time. I'm gonna go drop off some animals. Let it finish itself off, and I'll be back to get it out of there. If it's after dark, forgive me, because I'm not gonna be able to film it, but we'll see. Alright. That be the goat leg we've been cooking on for the last 2 hours. Time to see how tender this was. It's about a year-old goat. Nigerian dwarf breed. It cuts tender. It's gonna be real tender. I'm gonna lose that piece. Look at that. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Alrighty. It's really good. I thought these were better tongs than what they actually are, but I got them at Academy. That's some damn good stuff. I'm about to buy me one. Alright, now all I want to do is let it rest, cool down to a temperature where I can carry it. Turn this off. And we're done for the day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.